Zhuhai Witson Industrial Company Limited, established in 2003, have over 17 years plenty of experience about car DVD GPS products. Our products mainly include all-in-one special OEM series, vertical Tesla series, universal big screen plus various frame series, and Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz big screen series. For same car type, we can supply different price lever hardware and UI design in order to meet different market demand. Witson hires faithful professional engineers and marketing sales engaged in car multimedia products over 10 years, developing 5 to 8 new models per month, and can supply over 1,500 different models for different car brand. All our products will have fully QC checking work before shipment. The factory has highly automated production equipment and 100,000 grade standard dust-free workshop, which covers area of 4,000 square meter. Efficient productivity ensures many high-quality and reliable products in short time. We understand time is money under today's increasingly competitive environment, so we keep average 2,000 pieces different models stock monthly to bring our customers with fast and short delivery time to win more market opportunity. Mostly important, we have our European warehouse stock for some hot sales models to supply our EU customers with fast and tax-free shipping way. Witson accept different business cooperation way, like OEM, ODM, dropship. We trust we could support you increasing the business by our professional experience, various newly developed products, plenty of stock, and one-stop shop service. Join with Witson and we growth together.